Hey guys, Krisha here. Please be cautious of any fake comments and emails you may receive from people pretending to be Mango Research. Sean and I will never, ever contact you for investment opportunities or anything of that sort. To get in touch with the real Mango team, make sure to join our official Discord chat using the link in the description below. Stay safe out there, and remember, do it Mango. And what's up, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is today's Chiliz analysis video. I know a lot of you out there have asked us to do a Chiliz analysis, so here it is. Finally, it has been on a bit of a consolidation. Okay, I'm going to say consolidation because I just looked at the chart and I'm kind of liking the picture so far. So we're first going to start off with the Mango dashboard. I'm going to try and keep this one as short as possible because you guys know the trend has been so aggressively bullish on Chiliz is that it's pretty much in blue sky breakout, and even the regions of resistance that we have over us are pretty much nothing. Right? So let's go ahead, check out the Mango dashboard. I'm going to get on over to that top returns tab, okay? Because if you just click on that, for those of you who do have the premium version, you'll notice that Chiliz USDT is on this list. And not just that, if you caught a trade based on the Mango dashboard, okay, Chiliz USDT flipped long, okay? It gave us a long trend change 42 days ago. 42 days ago. And if you're still in this trade, you are currently up 1,825%. All right, so congratulations to any of you who caught the trade on Chiliz. It is bloody bullish. So now let's get into the charts. Okay, I'm currently on Bitcoin. I have some random ones on. Let's go ahead, pull up Chiliz USDT. We're only going to be dissecting the USDT pairing, so just heads up on that on Binance. And as you can see, I have a beautiful bullish pattern on my chart. Okay, and from that trend line, it appears that we have broken, but I want to see a little bit more oomph. Now, for those of you who do not know what I'm talking about, well, I'm looking at this overall structure, okay, which is a falling wedge. Okay, now falling wedge, guys, on a technical standpoint, for those of you who are new to the world of TA, on a technical standpoint, it is a bullish pattern. All right, the measured move to which can be measured from the peak right here to the bottom. Okay, place it on the break, and that would take us all the way up to 97 cents. Okay, essentially testing these highs once again. All right, it's if and only if we start taking out that wick high right there at 97 cents, only then will I really be anticipating another push to the upside. But so far, I'm really liking the picture of this overall bullish consolidation. All right, so there are a few sort of developments on this 4-hour time frame, and yes, we're gonna have to dissect this on the 4-hour time frame because of how aggressive the trend is and because of the current sort of consolidation we're in. I feel like this falling wedge is best viewed on the 4-hour time frame. And in fact, if there's any time frame that is going to tell you that, hey, the bulls are stepping in here, it's going to be this one right here. Okay, the 4-hour time frame is going to be key for Chiliz. I'm going to go ahead and zoom into this price action. All right, because there are a few very important things happening on this chart. The first one being that we have officially taken out the Tenkin as well as the 21 EMA. And when I say taken out, I'm looking for candle body closes. All right, so we have 2 consecutive candle body closes over both those regions. And not just that, so we have the Tenkin, we have the 21, and we have also taken out cloud resistance. All right, now here at Mango, guys, you know, Sean and I, we are big into that Ichimoku cloud. That is a very crucial part of our trading system, the Ichimoku cloud. Okay. Now, for those of you who do not have access to the Mango ribbon yet, where we give away essentially a bunch of EMAs and MAs as well as the Ichimoku cloud, it is absolutely free. You can sign up for it. I believe there's a link in the description. You should be able to find it there, and I will grant you access to the Mango ribbon. Okay, but you'll essentially have our settings, which is the double settings on the Ichimoku cloud. So far, we're living inside the cloud as well as over the 21 EMA and the Tenkin. Now, if I just zoom out of this price action, I want you to notice something about this entire downtrend on the 4-hour that Chiliz has been in. Okay, we've held that 21 EMA as resistance ever since we broke right here on 19th of March. Okay, since then, Chiliz actually had a good, what was this drawdown? 25% drawdown. Okay, this is the first time since then that we are seeing price live over the 21 and the Tenkin. Okay, so this is a very, very important development on the Chiliz chart. What I personally will be looking for here is a bit more oomph from the bulls. So as soon as we start taking out, I'm going to mark it out for you. Okay, this wick high right here, this comes in at 52 cents. As soon as we start taking that out to the upside, I will be looking for continuation. All right, we may very well get a very, very clean C-span trade from the Tenkin, which is the blue line, going all the way up to the Kijun, which is the red line. Okay, and that is sitting at 58 cents. Okay, so I'll be expecting a nice C-span trade, and as you can see, we're moving right now. Nice C-span trade all the way up to the Kijun at 58 cents. It's if this, then that. Okay, that is one of our biggest things here. If this, then that. If we start closing over the Kijun, only then will I be anticipating another move to the upside. Okay, so I'll be looking for a break of the Kijun, candle body close over that, and at which point I'll be looking for the next region of resistance, okay, to come in at around this region right here. There we go. Okay, 65 cents, which also lines up with the top of the cloud. All right, and where am I getting this from? I'm also looking at the candle body wicks as well as the candle body closes. Okay, if we start taking that out, then watch out, you guys. The bulls are in control. There's a good chance that we actually meet the measured move of this beautiful falling wedge to the downside. Okay, it's going to be a very volatile zone, so I implore everyone to watch out and have some level of risk management employed on the chart and on your trades. Okay, it's very, very important, especially in these volatile charts. Okay, because let me tell you something, this entire range from here going all the way up to 97 cents, that is 47% to the upside. Okay, that's a 47% range, and yes, it is going to get that volatile. Okay, so be very, very careful when playing that range, because while you can see these moves to the upside, you can see that equal sort of volatility to the downside as well. Okay, so prudence is necessary on charts as volatile and as beautiful as Chiliz. But so far, I think the bulls are in control here. Okay, I want to see us take out this wick high. If we start taking out the wick high, I'm seeing a nice clean C-span trade all the way up to 58 cents. If we start taking out 58 cents to the upside, then I think the next region is going to come in at 65. Okay, testing the top of the cloud as well as this beautiful, beautiful horizontal resistance that we have right here. Okay, I'm getting the horizontal resistance from the wicks as well as the candle body closes from our historic price action on the chart, which is not much. But hey, price action is price action. It's something there, right? On the flip side, of course, now remember, trades, there's always two sides. There's a bullish side and the bearish side. Now, I think that probability lies towards the bullish side. Why? Because if you just zoom out of this chart, you'll notice that this trend is bloody bullish. Okay, it is an aggressively bullish trend. All right, now probability is in favor of that overarching trend right now, okay, which is on the bulls side. Okay, now the flip side, however, I do believe that it is the lower probability trade here, which is the bearish side. On the flip side, if, getting back on over to the 4-hour time frame, if we start losing these wick lows right here, okay, I'm looking for a loss of this wick low, and this comes in at 45 cents on the dot. Okay, 45 cents on the dot. I'm looking for a candle body close, or hell, even a wick lower than that. I'll be looking for continuation to the downside. Okay, the first region of support coming in at this region right here at around 35 cents, going all the way down to 29 cents. Okay, but remember, if this, then that. But so far, guys, I think this picture is in favor of the bulls. All right, I'll be looking for some additional volume on this as soon as we get another push with a nice, beautiful volume node to the upside. I'm saying that Chiliz has more to go. It's about to get hot in here. Okay, now with this, guys, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.